Yo, what's happening? This is Cole here. I'm here to talk to you about this amazing new product. It's called AIRLOCK. It purifies your air inside your boat, working directly with your AC units. You can also plug it into a wall, but for best usage, put it on your AC. This is an installation video. I'm going to show you how. If you like what you see and you want to get something, you can use code COLE10 on their website for a discount. And yeah, let's get going. So this is actually very scientific. They're using positive hydrogen ions and negatively charged oxygen ions that run through your entire AC system, and it's going to attack those odor making molecules. Any bilge smell, any toilet smell, any dog smell, any fishy smell will go away on your boat. Just a really great thing to have, purify your air. Let's get to it. This going to go red wire to L1 fan, black wire to L2 fan. Really easy. Works with all ACs. They're all labeled this way. So I just have two little butt connectors. There I go on each one. Crimping tool. Let's get to it. All right, that was easy enough. Now let's install it. What you're gonna need is to take this panel off that most ACs are gonna have. Looky there, we got a whole diagram. L1 fan on top, and L2 fan's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And these things are all going to be labeled. So here's L1 fan right here. That's going to be a positive. So your red's going to go there. And then you need to look for L2 fan, which is down here. L1 fan off. You're not going to want to drop these little screws in your bilge. So there we go, we got one. Put it in there. Let's see if we can get it right back in on that other one. Boom, looks like it's gonna fit. That wasn't bad at all, nice and easy. So let's look for L2 fan. I did confirm it is the fourth one. All right, looks like we're in. Boom. So we have our red and our black cables hooked up. I installed it, turned the Jenny on, the AC on, the light is purple. We are purifying our air.